Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, good day. It's CNE's last day, and guess what? The air show starts at 12. I'm going for the air show. Oh my god, are you serious now? To buy a ticket online, there's a processing fee of, it cost me $28, but here it's only $25. Save money. But it's so busy. There's like how many games? 1, 2, 3, 4 games.
You said not that it's good for yourself, not for others.
Thank you. I'm in. Dennis, last day today. Oh, there's air show. Start at 12. Thank you.
To those of us just arriving at CNE, I hope you guys have a great day today. I hope you guys enjoy your Labor Day weekend. Also, come get your 50/50 raffle tickets, guys, because what better way to end Labor Day than to be over $183,000 richer?
Hi, where's the air show?
Sorry?
Where's the air show?
You can ask them and they'll give you all the information for the air show.
Sure.
So tickets, we have 60 numbers for $20.
Come get your 50/50 raffle tickets, guys. Current jackpots are $183,000.
Hi, sir. Where's the air show?
Come with your 50/50 raffle tickets, guys. Current jackpots are $183,000, guys. $183,000. What way to end your Labor Day weekend than to be over $183,000 richer? That's such a good night's sleep, guys. Come with your 50/50 raffle tickets, guys. 50/50 raffle tickets.
I'm gonna call my friend now.
Army, where's your mom?
Ready to go to the Skyway now. Skyway. By myself. Dang. That's scary, but I could manage it. It's going up the hill. I should go in the middle. I'm scared. I'm scared. This is the Vimo field. It's not actually scary, but I'm afraid of heights. There's the CN Tower there. Niagara Splash. We call it Niagara Splash. It's the last day. Really scared because I'm on top. I think it's gonna go around. Oh shit! Feel it. When they're loading, I kind of feel because it's moving, right? That's the CNE ground. I have to balance myself. I'm halfway. Scary. But I'm fine. I'm just usually afraid of heights. That's what happens. Oh shit. I guess this is the end of the line. It's just a one way. We never go around. Mind you, this is near the entrance. The very beginning, but I managed to. I know. I don't know. That guy looks nervous too. That guy looks. I'm on my way. That's the Eurosmile. Right there. Let's see.
Okay, flip it over.
Wow, super cool.
They were the same.
Wow, look at those things. Look at these ones are really close together.
Going back to the CNE. The next air show is not going to be till like 3 o'clock. They're not really that great as this year. Last year they were great. What is that one? Polar Express. That's on the road. It's the last day. That's why people are crazy. Everyone is here. It's Monday, September 2, but it's holiday, Labor Day for Canadians. Labor Day is supposed to be September 1st. But September 1st is yesterday, which is a Sunday. So whenever holiday falls on a Sunday, the following day is automatically holiday, which is today. This one, it's so hard when you miss each other, right? And then no, like people don't really want to wait. I don't want to follow even. People don't wait, I won't kill my time. These are food section.
Hey guys, come on in, guys.
Hi there. Just one. Down here? Yep.
Hi.
Have a good day. Thank you.
I know. Jump on in, guys. Yeah, jump on.
They say it's hot ice cream because the waffle is hot and the ice cream.
Cash your card.
So, oh my god, no, they're here. My hot ice cream.
Soccer ball?
Some people here, and you get to take a ride because you have to line up. It take you an hour to line up. I was lucky to line up for that one in the morning, but it's later on in the day. Lining up is a misery. So, and my friend, we keep hide and seek. I like people that likes to hide and seek. You know, you have to follow them every second wherever they go. What is it? This is a joke. Anyways, thank you so much for watching Cheese Life and Adventure. This is the end of the CNE for this. Actually, there's some shows. Should I go for shows? Where is that? And still go to the next bus later. Thank you so much for watching. Still foods, never ending foods. It's all about foods actually here. The business is food. I don't want to go back to the Airshow anymore because oh yeah, I'm supposed to go buy Tim Hortons, but I forgot. Even Tim Hortons, there's a lineup. I'm gonna ride. It's free. Why not? Try to ride a train to go around. This is actually the Manitoba entrances. This is the entrance from the Duckling side. The main entrance of Duckling. They're lining up over here.
See where we had our barbecue over there.
Ah. I have the request to be back.